Happy Independence Day, Jamaica, August 6, 1962, 63 years strong. From the hills of the Blue Mountains to the beats of reggae that echo worldwide. Today, we celebrate a nation that defied the odds, broke the chains, and continues to rise with pride. Bold like our sun, rich like our land, strong like our people. Today we honor our freedom fighters, cultural icons, everyday heroes, and every Jamaican who carries the spirit of independence with pride and resilience. Be proud, be bold, in the black, green, and gold. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. One love, one nation, forever proud.